Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are doing something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is not a concept, not a dream, and not something out of a science fiction movie. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, and I promise you, by the end of this video, your entire perception of what luxury on wheels actually means is going to be completely shattered. So sit back, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Now before we even start talking about what this machine is, let's just take a moment to appreciate what Rolls-Royce has done here. We all know Rolls-Royce as the pinnacle of automotive luxury, the brand that has been defining what opulence looks like for over a century. But with this motorhome, they have taken everything they know, everything they stand for, and they have scaled it up into something that is genuinely unlike anything the world has ever seen. This is not just a motorhome. This is a statement. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that hits you is that unmistakable Rolls-Royce front fascia. The iconic Pantheon grille is there, massive and commanding, finished in a dark chrome that gives it this incredible sense of authority. The Spirit of Ecstasy badge sits proudly on the front, and the headlight design wraps around with that signature Rolls-Royce LED daytime running light signature that you can spot from a mile away. The body itself is finished in this deep military olive matte green, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is not a color you would expect on something like this, but it works perfectly. It gives the motorhome this sense of being powerful, private, and exclusive all at once. The sheer size of this vehicle is staggering. We are talking about a double-axle rear configuration, sitting on massive blacked-out multi-spoke wheels that look like they were ripped straight off a Wraith or a Phantom. The wheel arches are perfectly sculpted, the body lines flow from front to rear with an elegance that you rarely see on something this large, and the roofline has this beautiful aerodynamic curvature that makes it look like it is moving even when it is standing still. The black tinted panoramic windows run the entire length of the upper deck, giving it this dark, mysterious, almost sinister look that perfectly complements the olive exterior. Every single panel on this vehicle fits with that Rolls-Royce precision, and the attention to detail from front bumper to rear is absolutely second to none. Moving inside, and this is where things get genuinely extraordinary, stepping into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is like stepping into a private jet that someone decided to put on wheels. The interior is finished in the finest hand-stitched leather available, and Rolls-Royce offers an almost unlimited bespoke customization program, so every single interior is unique to its owner. You are looking at hand-polished wood veneers, Starlight headliner technology carried over from the Phantom, and materials sourced from some of the most exclusive suppliers on the planet. The main living area features a full lounge setup with deep cushioned seating, a bespoke entertainment system with screens that would make your home's cinema jealous, and ambient lighting that you can customize to match your mood. There is a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, and the master bedroom suite at the rear features a bed that rivals any 5-star hotel you have ever stayed in. The bathroom is finished in marble and brushed metal, and every fixture, every tap, every detail has been chosen with obsessive care. The flooring transitions between thick wool carpet and polished stone depending on which area you are in, and the ceiling height gives the entire interior this airy, spacious feel that you simply cannot believe you are inside a vehicle. The noise insulation is, as you would expect from Rolls-Royce, essentially perfect. You close that door and the outside world simply ceases to exist. When it comes to performance, Rolls-Royce has not cut corners just because this is a motorhome. Under the hood, the 2026 model is expected to be powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing somewhere in the region of 650 to 700 horsepower, mated to a smooth shifting automatic transmission that manages all that power with effortless composure. The air suspension system is derived directly from Rolls-Royce's flagship sedan technology, which means despite the sheer mass of this vehicle, the ride quality is described as floating on a cloud. Self-leveling suspension, advanced stability control, and a low-slung aerodynamic profile all work together to make driving this motorhome feel far more controlled and composed than you would ever expect from something this size. It is not built for speed, but it is built for an unmatched driving experience at every legal road speed you will encounter. Now let us talk about price, because this is where things get eye-watering. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start at somewhere around $3 million in its base configuration, and given Rolls-Royce's bespoke program, some fully customized examples could realistically push beyond $5 million once all options and personalization choices are factored in. Is that a lot of money? Absolutely. Is it worth it? If you can ask that question, this vehicle probably was not made for you. This is not just transportation. This is a rolling palace. This is Rolls-Royce proving that there is absolutely no ceiling when it comes to what luxury can look like. And that is exactly what makes it one of the most extraordinary machines of 2026. Thank you for watching MH Car Review, and we will see you in the next one.